To keep Afang soup green and vibrant when using frozen spinach, follow this method step by step. Start by preparing the base. Begin with a rich, flavorful broth using well-seasoned stock. A good base ensures the depth of flavor that makes Afang soup truly delicious. Next, add the Afang leaves. First, since Afang leaves are tougher, they need more time to cook. Allow them to soften and release their earthy flavor before adding other ingredients. This step is crucial in maintaining the fresh green look of your soup. Once the Afang leaves have started to cook down, gently add the frozen spinach. Because it is already soft, it requires minimal cooking. Overcooking it will cause the color to dull, so stir it in carefully and let it blend with the Afang. Now, introduce ponmo, crayfish, palm oil, and seasonings. Crayfish enhances the savory taste of the dish. Palm oil adds depth to the dish. These will enrich the flavor of the soup without compromising the vibrant green color. Finally, add your choice of protein, meat, periwinkle, or any preferred seafood. At this stage, taste the soup and adjust the seasoning as needed. Let everything simmer for a few more minutes, ensuring all the flavors meld perfectly. With this method, your Afang soup will stay beautifully green, rich, and flavorful. Follow for more healthy recipes and tips. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with friends who love good food.